Here we have a window regulator rivet gun. It's a extra large size rivet gun for the heavy duty rivets that go in some American made cars. So it comes with everything you see here. It's got the oversized rivet gun. It has 5 attachments for different size diameters of rivets, and it gives you the size on the side. It has a catch bin for the actual nail type leftovers when they pop out instead of falling on the floor. That's a plus. Comes with a wrench. Comes with some lock bolts and nuts. So if you need this tool or any other tools, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.